Hey, what's up guys, this is Sapphire here. With the holiday season approaching, I wanted to make sure that I had a travel card in my wallet so I could maximize my rewards when I go traveling, and that would be the Chase Sapphire Preferred. So I was able to get approved instantaneously for this card with only 15 months of credit history. And my credit score was above 700, but you can definitely get approved with around 700, just depending on your situation. So I'll put the link in the description so you guys can see if you can qualify for this card. It has a really nice 50,000 point intro sign-up bonus that you can also take advantage if you use the link down below. I'll be making a full review video down the line, so make sure to subscribe to see that. But for now, let's go ahead and do the unboxing for this awesome card. So about a week from the day I was approved, this showed up in my mailbox, and guess what it came in? Just an ordinary, unassuming white envelope. Well, since there's not much to see here in the front, let's just go ahead and rip this thing open. So once you rip open the envelope, you're greeted with 5 pieces of paper. You got the intro piece of paper with the card attached, and then you also have the Chase Sapphire Preferred benefits guide, and then the card member agreement, and then the usual confidentiality disclosure from Chase, and finally a welcome letter from the general manager. So the welcome letter is just, as the name implies, just to welcome you to the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. It also has some quick at-a-glance information of like your credit line, your cash advance line, and stuff like that on the front of the letter. And then on the back is your actual rates, like your APR and the potential penalty fees. And this is a $95 annual fee card, but it is waived for the first year. So for the first year, you don't need to pay anything to own this card. And then the confidential disclosure is something that's required by law that every credit card issuer to include. So this just shows you exactly what information of yours that Chase shares. And then the cardholder agreement is basically laying out the terms and conditions of owning this credit card that you basically need to obviously pay back Chase. And it's laid out very clearly, even has a little reference on definitions if you're very new to credit cards, so that's really nice. Alright, now for the more interesting piece of literature here. This is all the benefits at a glance for this Chase Sapphire Preferred. Comes in this nice little laminated booklet here. And since this is a travel card, you actually get back 2x points in travel and dining categories. So like hotels, flights, and restaurants internationally, thanks to its no foreign transaction fee. And of course 1x back everywhere else. And then you can use those points pretty much anywhere, but the big value here is if you use it towards travel through Chase's portal, you get 25% more value if you use your points that way. But no matter how you choose to redeem your points, you'll always at least get a value of 1 cent back per point. And then since this is kind of a premium credit card, you also gain access to special events like concerts, movies, and special fine dining, as well as Chase's really awesome 24/7 customer service. If you have any problems on your travel, you can call them up. And if your travel involves renting a car, you can rest with a little peace of mind because of its primary CDW perk. Now that's just the tip of the iceberg of all the benefits this card comes with, but I'm not going to bore you with all the literature. Let's move on to what you're probably anticipating, which is a close-up of this awesome metal card. Now I did get 2 in the mail because I also added an authorized user right from the get-go when I was approved. And as far as I can tell, these cards are pretty much identical. They're constructed exactly the same way, so they have that metal sandwich in between the plastic outer casings. And removing these from the paper, let's go ahead and just take a quick look at what else this paper has. So there on the bottom is how you get started with this card. You have to create your online profile or Chase if you don't already. You just sign in, and that way you can activate the card and start using it. And then on the back, it basically shows you what they did to get you approved. So they had to pull your credit report and define what a credit report is. And actually on the bottom section here, it shows you exactly when I applied for this and also the credit score at the time that I was approved. So you can see I was applied the very first day of October, and then I was approved at 770. Alright, that aside, now to the key highlight of this video, and that is the card. So you can see it's a really nice deep blue color, and it has several facets of, say, a sapphire prism right here. It is a Visa signature card, so you do need to have an approval limit of at least $5,000 a month. And this is a metal card, so yes, you can see the metal clearly from the side because it is sandwiched between the 2 plastic pieces, and it is a little bit heavier than what you have a traditional plastic credit card, and it sounds different too. So there you have it, a high rewards earning travel credit card that doesn't break the bank. I'll again put the link in the description so you guys can take advantage of this for the holiday season. And as usual, I'll be reviewing this card in detail in a later video, so make sure to subscribe to see that. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like. You'd be greatly appreciated. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, Skyforce95, if you haven't already, to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube, Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.